So I understand, Jess, that the UK government has just announced that a policy idea that all votes should be sent to 16 and 17-year-olds. So that's obviously something that ERS has been pushing for and advocating for many years.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it looks like the UK might play catch up with Wales when it comes to some of these innovations. What we've just seen is that the UK government have released a press release announcing a suite of reforms to modernise UK democracy. That will include 16 and 17-year-olds being given the right to vote, the extension of the numbers of ID that people can use for voter ID elections, and it looks like a raft of changes. Really, we're still digesting this news as it's literally just been announced, but it definitely is so far, I think, something to be welcome. It really feels like this is an attempt at removing some of the barriers we face and kind of equalising the playing field. You know, we've always said that there's a problem. Not with 16 and 17-year-olds being given the right to vote in Wales and Scotland, but it creates an unequal playing field for 16 and 17-year-olds at an English level and at a UK election. So this hopefully will see that kind of level playing field put in place.
Thank you.